So guys, this is how to fix Facebook 6-digit verification code not receiving on your phone. So if you are using an Android or iOS device and you are not receiving your Facebook SMS code or verification code on your device, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to your phone menu and try to check whether you have the latest version of your Facebook app. So what you have to do is to just scroll, then you tap on Play Store, the Google Play Store. So after tapping on the Google Play Store, you have to tap on the search bar over here. So tap on the search apps, then you type in FB over here. So just type in Facebook. So after typing in Facebook, then you tap over here to search. So just tap on it and you are going to see Facebook over here. So as you can see, we have Facebook over here. So what you have to do is to tap on your Facebook. If you are using the Facebook Lite, tap on it. So when you tap on the Facebook or Facebook Lite, what you have to do is to tap on this update. So when you tap on this update, you are going to see that it's going to start to download and reinstall on your device successfully. And after doing this, you are going to get the latest version of Facebook. So after doing that, what you have to do is to come to your Facebook, your phone menu like this, then you scroll to Facebook. So just tap on the Facebook for some while, and this is going to pop up. When this pop-ups, what you have to do is to tap on the app info over here. So you are going to get to the Facebook app info. So what you have to do is to tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on permission and notification, then make sure this show notification is staggered on like this. Do you get me? After doing this, just tap on the back section. Then now what you have to do is to tap on permissions and make sure you allow these permissions. Especially what is very, very important over here is to allow your everything over here, the location and everything. Do you get me? When you allow this, it's going to be very easy to get the SMS or the verification code on your phone. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache. So let's tap on our storage and cache. Then now what you have to do over here is to tap on the clear cache. So when you tap on the clear cache, you're going to see that it has been blurred. Then you tap on the back section over here like this. So when you go back, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then now tap on the background data. So make sure this background data is staggered on like this. So after doing this, what you have to do is to restart your phone. So you tap on the power button for some while, then now you tap on restart. So you tap on restart like this, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. When this doesn't work for you, what you have to do is to go to your Facebook, then you tap on Facebook again, then you tap on app info. After restarting your device and it's not working, what you have to do is to tap on you tap on the storage and cache, then you tap on clear storage. So when you tap on the clear storage, then you tap on OK, and this is going to be fixed. So if this is still not working for you, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So tap on the Google Play Store, then you search for VPN. So you can search for 111 VPN. You can use this VPN, is safer internet VPN. So then you download this app. So after downloading this app, you have to turn it on like this. So you turn it on and you are going to see it connected. So after connecting this, turn your data on and continue using it, and this problem is going to be fixed and you are going to get your code successfully. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.